Ron in the basement. I got a phone call from my wife who was visiting neighbor Margaret. They were in one of Margaret's rooms and heard a pop in an adjoining room. And they smelled something bad, so they asked me to come over. I went over, we moved some bookshelves, and there was a surge protector that had failed. And I brought it back home with me to do an autopsy. That's why I'm in the basement on a nice day. This is the surge protector. Very few things were plugged into it. About, I'd say no more than 100 watts worth of equipment was plugged into it. Most of it turned off. And if I can read the back here, it's rated for over 1800 watts. And it can handle a surge of 330 volts. So there's a hole that was burned into it, or I should say something burned out through the plastic casing and scorched the carpet beneath. So I'm going to undo some screws and let's see what's inside here. I've taken the bottom of the case off. I can smell very acrid fumes even though this has been several hours outside. Looks like a quite spectacular failure there. The input wires are unscorched. Didn't look like they got any heat. Same for the switch, it looks fine. And I can see the metal oxide variable resistor there okay. It looks like there was a row of them and some of them have absolutely charred up. The heat got strong enough to show on the circuit board there, and it was intense enough to burn a hole right through the bottom of the case. This surge suppressor has been in operation for several years. No more than 100 watts has ever been plugged into it, and I find a failure like this a little disconcerting because I have several surge suppressors throughout my home. And I think I will take a closer look and see if there's any heat damage to any of mine, and I think you should too. This is Ron. See you later.